Okay, I'm going to try and show you here how to quickly change the tail light here to put the GPS tracker in here. So just start off with the screwdriver, just pop that out. That'll pop out real easy there. Then this has an adapter that just pops off from there like that. You'll want to get that out of the way. Now then, the hardest part here is getting this metal bracket down out of the way here. And frankly, it's just a big hammer and move it sort of a situation here. Basically what we just have to do is come in here and just pound on that. Probably going to move that out of the way enough here. Okay. Now part of what we want to do is move all this other stuff so that that's not in the way also. And we'll pop this ring back in there. Okay, we're probably pretty good for that now. Now here's our adapter that we have to put on here. You'll notice that this is going to work with that there. Just pop that right on there like that. And you'll see, have to make sure we push that in all the way. And then we want to move this and put that out of the way where it's not going to get in the way of putting this tracker in there. Okay, so we've got everything pretty much clean behind here, so we can now put our tracker in here. Now you'll notice our tracker matches up with this here. We just simply take and put those two together there, like that. Okay. And then what I always try to do is put this connector back out of the way there. And then we can put that right in here. And it goes in just like that. Maybe down there on a little bit on that side. Okay. And take that off. And she's all done. Just that fast. You've changed that whole adapter, or that whole GPS tracker, or that light there. Thanks a lot. Bye. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me.